If you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. Matthew 17:20. Hey everyone, it's your girl LaDonna Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to get this look. So if you want to know how I accomplished this look, just make sure you keep on watching. Alright, let's get started. I washed my hair about a week ago, so I just went ahead and went right on in. And yes, this is all me. Okay, so I had bought this hair from the beauty supply store. It's called Organique, and it was only $23, so that's a good price. And I got the inches 22, 20, and 18. Okay, for this style, you're going to need Got to Be glue gel and Got to Be glue hairspray, hair glue, and 2 stocking caps, and rapid styling strips. Okay, now what I'm doing is just parting my hair, and I'm going to part it ear to ear and just a little above the ear and not too far back, because I want my ponytail to sit up real nice and I want everything to be all nice and neat. As you guys can see, just make sure you guys can do your best to get it that straight and parted right. And I'm just separating my hair from the top of my head. I'm sorry, y'all. I was just so excited because my hair has gotten so long. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I did was braid the front so I can be able to separate that and get that hair out my way. And now what I'm doing is I'm braiding the back, straight back in cornrows. And you guys, it doesn't have to be all neat, okay? We just want that part to be as flat as possible. So I was just braiding, parting and braiding, and I was adding in the little piece of the braid that was sticking out into the hair that I was braiding, so I won't have any pieces left out. So yeah, and like I said, y'all, it doesn't have to be neat. We just want the hair to be flat as possible. And okay, so right now I'm just tucking in that little braid that was hanging out and making sure it's all tight and secure. As you guys can see, it's not perfect, but hey, it'll get the job done. So now I'm just adding the stocking cap on my head, and I'm taking some eyeshadow because I didn't have a white eyeliner to line it. And as you guys can see, I'm applying it right behind the line of my head, just because I want to still be able to put my hair up in a ponytail and don't want to accidentally glue that part down. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just going right behind the part and just doing that as so. And then next, what I'm going to do is take some Got to Be glue spray and spray my hair. Make sure it's all shielded and protected, because y'all, we don't want our hair damaged. Nope. And now I'm just blow drying it to make sure it's extra shield and protected and fully dry, because this glue, y'all got to be careful with glue, okay? So next, I'm just feeling the hair, y'all, just getting the texture, showing y'all whatever. And right now, I'm just measuring my hair before I cut the tracks, just measuring it around my head and making sure it's the right length. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply the glue and then apply that track on my head. Try to do it in a U shape, y'all, so it can look laid down properly. So as you guys can see, I'm just really repeating the same steps, over and over again. And just measuring it and then applying it. So yeah. And make sure you guys, when you're gluing it, make sure you glue it right behind that little mark that I made in the beginning, just to ensure that you won't overlap it and end up gluing the hair that's at the top, because like I said, I want to be able to put that part in a ponytail, and I don't want any glue to be attached to it. Okay, so you guys, I'm pulling the cap back and just making sure that I didn't go too far above the line, and I just went ahead and cut it so I can just go ahead and finish and won't have to worry about it. So I'm just cutting along that little line that I made and making sure that it's secure, and then I go back and just keep gluing and make sure I don't go over that part, because like I said, that's where I want my ponytail to go up. So right now I'm just gluing to the all the way to the top, and I'm not really worried about the track showing because my ponytail is going to cover it up and you won't really be able to see it, so it's going to be pretty much camouflaged. So I just got done taking that braid out and just combing the hair before I start to flat iron it. So right now I'm just running the flat iron through my hair, and I like to use this method, and I like to take the comb and run it through my hair as I flat iron my hair because it gets the hair more straighter for me. So that's what just works for me, and I love the method. I always use this method when I run through my hair with the flat irons, and just go ahead and comb through it as you flat iron it. So yeah, and make sure you guys it's not too high up because you don't want to damage your hair. And need I remind you guys, I really don't put too much heat to my hair, only when I'm doing a hairstyle that requires heat. So yeah, I'm just finishing flat ironing my hair. And I'm sorry guys, my camera had died, so I didn't get to show you guys how I put it in a ponytail. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm just braiding my hair down and putting a hair tie at the end. And I'm wrapping it with that wrapping strip that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. And just wrapping it along the braid to protect my hair from damage when I glue the ponytail to my hair, because y'all, like I said, I just got done growing my hair out all the way and I do not want to risk it, honey. Okay, y'all? So make sure you guys use this step. It's very important, especially if you care about the health of your hair. Okay, y'all, I used 2 bundles in the back of my hair, and I'm using this last bundle, and I just got done applying the glue to a little bit of the track, and I'm going to start to wrap the hair. Wrap the hair around the braid and glue the track as I go, and just continue to wrap up to get the full effect of the ponytail look. And I advise you guys to take your time because, y'all, it is not as easy as it looks. I kid you not. So I just got tired at the end, and I just went ahead and apply glue on the whole thing so I could just go ahead and wrap the hair around like you guys see in the video. So yeah, but like I said, just take your time too. Don't get frustrated, because it takes practice, okay? It takes practice. So now I'm just taking a piece of the hair and I'm wrapping it, and I'm spraying Got2b glue freezing spray around so it can be able to hold good and cover up that rubber band, the hair tie that I have. And I'm just using the blow dryer to blow dry it to keep it in place, and just spraying it some more and blow drying some more, make sure it's secure. And next I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and just teasing it a little bit, because honestly, y'all, it was looking a little thin. I didn't like how it was looking, so I just kind of tease it a little bit to give it a more fuller effect. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos in the description box below. And I just want to say I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and you guys have a blessed and highly favored day.